thank you, Your Worship. Your Worship, we are aware that the nature of the offense before us is a capital offense, and that indeed the jurisdiction to try this offense lies within the High Court, and that it is true the accused has been presented before by explanation of the charges, and that we are here for mention. Your Worship, we have no doubt that this process might go on for as long as 6 months or plus, as the prosecution so wishes and this court so wishes. However, we pray that Your Worship, in line with Article 28 of the Constitution, that an innocent man, in this case Mr. Bamuleese, is in the custody of prison on charges that have been presented by the prosecution, but that have not been fully investigated. That we know the nature of the charges, and we so pray that if it may please you, Your Worship, to inform the prosecution to speed up the investigation, so that this is not a fishing expedition for evidence here and there, and that had they known that the investigations were incomplete, then they shouldn't have gone ahead to sanction the file and incarcerate an innocent man. We so pray, Your Honor, that they do this expeditiously or as soon as possible, so the matter be heard quickly. We so pray, Your Honor. We are aware of the 6 months window, and we are aware that also the accused desires his freedom. We are also aware that we cannot apply for bail from this court, and we know where to proceed, Your Honor. But we thank you for the time, and we are ready to return at such a time that you may appoint, and we expect that the inquiries into the matter and the investigations would be complete, so that the process of committal takes place and that the case be heard on its own merits. I beg to submit.
So this being a capital offense, it's here only for mention in regard to the investigations. True, the state is advised to speed up on the investigations in regard to this case, so that it can be disposed of on its merits in the appropriate court. For any other applications or prayers in regard to the accused's rights, they should be put before the trial court, which is the High Court Criminal Division. So since the state has informed court that the investigations are not complete, it's adjourned. It's adjourned to the 13th of November 2024 at 9 o'clock for further mention.
Kote tegezeza tufu musango guno tegulirwa mu kooti eno, egenda kuba mu kooti enkulu, nabwe ekityo bategeezeza nti oludda oluwaabi lulina enkizo okuba lukola okunoonyereza omusango guno mu bwangu ddala, okulaba nti omusango gusobola okuwulirwa okuba ku nkomerero yaabwo mu kooti esaanidde okubuulirwa nga ye kooti enkulu. Nabwe ekityo omusango otandika ku mwezi 13 omwezi gwa 11 ku saa 3 ez'okumakya lugenda okusoma mu kooti eno okutegeeza oludda olwakutegeeza ko tutuuse n'okunoonyereza omusango guno.
This person is further remanded to the 13th of November.
Nani okusigala ku limande ekituuka na mwezi 13 ogwa 12 2024.
kusaasira. Allahu akbar.
Mama agenda kuteekayo essaala.
Allah agenda kusaasira. Essaawa yonna Allah ajja kusaasira.